fish. Is it lizardfish or the baby ladyfish? Woohoo! Oh, it's a baby ladyfish. Oh, good. Oh, good morning, everybody. It's Adrian here with I Fish That. Well, he got off on his own. Okay, it is 8:26 in the a.m. It is about 50 some odd degrees out here. Water temperature 62.2. And we are out on the Crystal River on a finally not super windy, crazy day. The whole weekend was pretty much shot. It was super windy, kind of cold. I think everybody experienced that cold front that came through. This is a good spot. It's promising. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on, folks. Woohoo, what do we got? Nice red. Hey, we got a red, boys. Check it out. Hell yeah, dudes. That's what I'm talking about. Looks like a good spot there. It looks like it was. Alright, calm down, buddy, calm down. Alright, guys, check her out. I think it's barely legal, if that. Hey, nice looking red there. There you go. Alright, let's release this little one. And there he goes. Alright. Hey, we're on the board, fellas. Nice. My instincts paid off, but this is just kind of like, this is perfect spot right now. We've got a falling tide, sun's coming out, warming it up. This black mud holds a lot of heat, from my understanding of it. So they like to come here and hang out. Got them right over there, just kind of working it real slow on the bottom. I had just switched to working it slow when he hit it, so. Woohoo! There we go. We got a little baby snook, a little juvenile snook. All right, buddy. All right, relax. All right, relax. There we go. Got a long J hook on this, so hopefully they shouldn't swallow it. There we go. Hey guys, nice little snooky snook. Cool. Later. Alright. Second actual first full fish caught today. Cool. Take that. It's a baby, but oh well, beggars can't be choosers, right? I'm quite literally starving to death. Alright guys. So it's approximately 2 o'clock. We've been out since roughly 8:39 in the morning. We even went out and got a dozen shrimp, and nothing's hitting. I mean, nothing. I've been tossing them all right here underneath the mangroves, pretty much everywhere you can think of, and we've just been it's just been crap. So I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know if it's the weather, these transitions happening. I fished the low tide, high tide now. incoming tide, outgoing tide, and it's just been garbage. So I think what we're gonna do, and head back, grab some lunch, load up the kayaks onto the truck, and then tomorrow morning we're either gonna hit the park at the end of this road here on Fort Island Trail. At the end of it, there's a road out there, and there's a boat launch and a beach. We're either gonna go there or go to Lozello. Not sure yet, but either way, I'll let you guys know what's happening. All right, guys. Talk to y'all later. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Adrian here. Welcome to my channel. I Fish That. And so we just launched from Fort Island Trail Park right here. We had just hit this area right here. Tina threw her lure in and just landed probably, what you're gonna say, a 30-inch, 35-inch red. We didn't measure it because she wanted to get in the water, but we did get a picture of it. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, when I clicked the camera on the shutter, it didn't activate, so I didn't catch any of that on camera, on video. I'm solely bummed out about that. We did get a picture on, put that on there, but that's her. Is that your first red?
That's the first red I've ever caught.
That's her first red, and that was a massive one. It took her a good, what, 3-4 minutes to get that thing in. So she got a first and probably a really good personal best, because it's gonna be hard to beat that one. So we're out here right now. It's, what time is it, babe? 10:30. We should be at the bottom end of low tide, and then tide's gonna start rising after that. We're gonna head out to those oyster beds out there. You guys can already see people, and we're gonna try our luck. Okay, good start though. Yeah.
Are you getting any hits?
No, I'm not. Are you? Yeah, but what is it that's hitting it? Let's head over that way and see, because I see some fish flipping there. I don't know. It's a good spot for reds to be. That pier got taken out. Yeah, it was a little fishing pier. We fished out here one time. Well, it was during COVID lockdown. And we came over here to fish, and it was crazy because it was so shallow. It's like, how do you even fish this? You know what I mean? Yeah. Let's see, what do I...
NLB on paddle tail.
Oh, it's a special paddle tail.
That on my comfort lure, as you call it.
It's called it...
Stock, grouper, reds, mangrove, you name it.
By the way, that's called a confidence lure.
Yeah, whatever.
Not a comfort lure.
Comfort lure is fine. Hey.
Yeah, baby.
Sure you don't want an NLB on paddle tail?
Nah, man, I'm good. I'm not buying into the hype.
Look how cute he is.
Well, I don't know. You want to turn around and go inland?
Nope. I want to catch that fish.
Alright, we are abandoning our original plan to go out to the oyster islands. We're being taunted by fish that we don't know what they are. They're probably mullet or something. Ooh, it's good skinny. I think I'm gonna pull up my drive. Yep. I think the Bixby should still be able to get me through it though. Like, this is a good spot right here. It's a little depression in there. Just enough room for a big fish to get through. This should be a good spot, but nothing doing right now, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and move on and fish our way down this mangrove tree line up to our left here, and then that's gonna go deep into a winding canal. So that's what we're doing. All right. All right, man. Oh, I cannot believe we're having such a hard time right now. Should be smoking these fish. Let's see if we can't flood their taste buds with ProCure, huh? think I had a bite there for a second. Dang it. Got this little mangrove here, got this island here, and there's current that's going through. Now we are pretty much at the top of high tide. I think in the next it's 140. I think it's at 220. It's supposed to be like the top of high tide. So the current is starting to kind of slack up now. But I'm gonna try a little bit of frozen shrimp on a very light split shot. See what we get. See if anything comes up. Hardly any wind right here. The bugs were really bad over there. Kind of got myself in a little bit of a tunnel here with some breeze. So just gonna see if anything hits here. If not, I'm gonna move on, get closer. If you look over there, you definitely see the current running. There's a little bit going around this too, but we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. Oh, I just had a little bite there. That's looser than I expected it to be, dang. Alright, let's give it another shot. Toss it out here a little further. Oh. Alright. What do we got? What do we got? Got a little guppy. Not even sure what this is. Is this a mullet? I'm not even sure what that is. Really not sure what that is. Huh. Could be a small. No, it's not a red. Tiny though. Alright, dude. Let that guy go. Not what I'm looking for. Let's break this up another shrimp. We might catch nothing but. Huh? Yeah, I see him. Uh-oh, I think one of them might be on. Oh, looks like I'm on. All right, my bait got taken. Some took the bait. I don't know what it is, can't see it yet. It's not super strong. Unless it's just hasn't decided to fight yet. See the float? I mean the bobber. Oh, there it goes. He didn't like the boat. Oh. Oh, big old catfish. I'm gonna let him wear him out a little bit so he's not kicking and screaming when he comes up here. Oh, big old sail cat. Okay, I need to reel this one in first though. Let's I'm gonna let him run a little bit. Oh. Caught a second wind. Little sail cat. Get my pliers here. I don't really want to touch him. Oh, there we go. Yay, big old cat, huh? Alright, relax, bro. Oh, man. You swallowed that bad boy. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut you off here. I know. I'm sorry, bro. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that out. Alright, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Hope you're okay. Catfish are pretty tough. But that's not what I wanted to catch for sure. Alright. And he's all over my line. Oh, goodness. What did he do? Holy snikes. Oh boy, what a mess. I'm not even going to bother with that. Oh, Tina's got a fish. What you got? Ah, that guy said there were catfish out here. Alright. Hey, hello everybody. There. Okay. Hey everybody. Hey, it's Adrian here. So today is Friday, March 14th, and me and Tina are headed out. Got off work early, and we are out on the Crystal River. It's a little bit windy today, so we're having to contend with that. And look at this big ass boat coming, and with the wakes and stuff. But anyways, we just got out about 2:45 in the afternoon. We're going to try to see if we can get any fish. She already caught, I guess, like a little catfish. So fingers crossed. Fish on. There we go, little fucker. Alright, well that's a ladyfish. That's a big old ladyfish you just caught. Kind of expect these out here. They're a dime a dozen. Might just get off my line by himself if I'm lucky. They make decent bait too, but I don't know if I want to deal with all that right now. Look at them big old eyes though. Oh man, you swallowed that good. These guys hit it hard when they do. And you swallowed that. And you swallowed that, huh? Well, get out there. There you go. I got it off, and now I gotta get it out of your mouth. Alright, there we go, guys. Little ladyfish. Arr. Got one place real quick. So it's 6:37. Still like another hour till sundown. Yeah, a little over. Probably like another hour, almost hour and a half till sundown, but probably gonna get off the water pretty soon. But finally the traffic is slowing down a little bit out here. Everyone's kind of rushing to get home and get off the water, so got a last little brush there. The boat's coming through. I want to try this little spot right here. Looks like it might hold something in here. I don't know. There's current going, flowing. There's a couple of drop-offs here somewhere. So let's see if anything's gonna hit on this kind of maybe dinner time bite, which hasn't really happened today. It's been crappy. I mean, I'm sort of disappointed. I don't know what's going on. It seems like everywhere I've been going the last few weeks I've been just kind of missing the bite or something. I don't know. Ooh, we're on. Probably a trout. There we go. Yeah, that's a nice one too, guys. Hell yeah. Dude, this one's a big one too. He's a fatty. Like no joke. Oh shit. Come on, dang it, get off of there.
Yeah, babe.
Dude, kind of monster trout.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's right. I'm right out here, right out when you get out onto to the right.
Yeah.
Big old trout. He's probably a good 16, well, maybe like 18, 19 inch.
Wow.
Wow, cool. All right.
Yeah, be careful because you have maximum is 19.
Okay, well, I guess that is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. So we went out no, we didn't go out this morning. We planned to go out this morning. Tina was like, yeah, let's get up at 6:30. We'll get out there at 7:30 in the morning. That didn't happen. It was a little too cold for us. So we got out at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, roughly. No, 2 o'clock. So we've been out for like 3 or 4 hours, roughly. And managed to catch a couple of trout today. A couple of good-sized trout and a couple of ladyfish. Other than that, that's it. And I don't know how we're gonna fish this week, or if I don't know if I'm gonna get to fish this week, because tomorrow, Saturday, I think we're supposed to get a little bit of good weather in the morning, and then it's gonna start getting windy, and it's gonna stay windy through pretty much until Tuesday. So I might be able to get out on the water Tuesday, but I don't know. It's just kind of hit and miss. We'll have to see what happens. So I don't even know. Honestly, it's Friday, and I don't even have enough real content for to post a video. Honestly, unless I just do a lot of filler. So you guys might be seeing all this right now. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I don't know. Tina's telling me something. So, anyways, guys, here is the creek we're in right now. That's pretty much a dead end. I thought I'd catch some fish there, but so far all I've caught is a snook, a small one. And this is right here in front of us is the canal heading back towards the RV resort where we're staying at. Anyways, guys, thanks for spending some time with me. You guys enjoy the content. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. If you're a first-time subscriber, welcome. Thank you all. And we're getting that subscriber count up. I'm stoked. I was stuck there for a little while at like 20 or 30 subscribers. In the last month or so, it's bumped up. I think I'm like 67. So I'm happy. I'm ecstatic about it. Thank you all for signing up and then liking my post. Really appreciate that. And my goal now is just to hit 100 subscribers. So that's my goal. Hopefully hit it up here in the next month or so. Thanks a lot for spending some time with me, and we'll see you next time.